Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Fall is in the air and I am feeling the pumpkin spice vibes. So today I've created a pumpkin spice look. I started with applying Becca's face primer all over my skin for a lit from within look. Then I applied YSL's Touche Cloth foundation with a brush to even up my skin tone. I then used Lancome's dual finish powder to set my foundation and eliminate shine. Contour and highlighter came next. I used Charlotte Tilbury's Bronze and Glow. I took the bronze shade and applied it to the hollows of my cheeks, down the sides of the nose, and just under the lip. I also applied a little on my forehead. I then added highlight to the top of my cheekbones and down the center of my nose. Next, I added NARS blush to the apples of my cheeks for color. For eyes, I started with Shadow Base from Makeup Forever. I blended it with my fingertips all over my eyes to keep my shadow from creasing. I then brushed Lancome's Honeymoon all over the eyes. Next, I added Burnt Sand from Lancome in the crease and on the outer edge and then wrapped it under my eyes. I then intensified the look with Lancome's Faux Pas on the outer edges. For my lids, I applied Pose and wrapped it under my eyes as well. And for more pumpkin flavor, I applied a terracotta shade to brighten my lid and wrapped it under the eyes as well. Liner is next. I applied liquid liner on the upper lash line from inner corner to outer corner. Then I applied concealer under my eyes to catch any fallout from the shadow. I also applied it around my nose to give a more smooth, flawless look. Brows were next. I applied Lancome's Brow Shaping Powdery Pencil to fill in my brows and then brush them up with the spoolie brush. I then applied lashes to give a wide-awake, glamorous look. And then added Laura Mercier's Caviar Stick to the inner corners of the eyes. For lips, I started with Lancome's Almondelle Lip Liner and then added YSL's Illicit Nude Lipstick in Illicit Orange. This color is much more orange in person than on camera, but it gives a great ending to a pumpkin spice look. For shine, I added Lancome's Juicy Tube in Hallucination. And for the finishing touches, I applied Lancome's Dual Finish Highlighter in Sparkling Peach to the tops of my cheekbones for added glow. I then finished up with Becca's bronzer and swiped it across my forehead, on the sides of my cheeks, and down the neck. And that's it, my pumpkin spice look. This is my pumpkin spice look. I'd love to see yours, so tag me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.